Hello everyone, in this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to trade Pump.Fun Memecoins using AI Autosnipe. Now getting over to Autosnipe.ai and connecting your wallet, you can come over to Pump.Fun because we're trying to trade Pump.Fun Memecoins. Clicking on it, and then down here, you can select any coin you want, but before you do that, you can toggle this on, which is hide rogs. And this basically hides tokens with very low liquidity, and you could also activate instance buy. Now we're going to choose one of the options here and we're going to choose happy. And right now, this is the graph where you can see the details about the coin. And then on the right side here, you can buy or sell the token as you wish. Now under buy, you have market and limit order. So if you're buying at market, this means you're buying it at the market price. And then if you go over to limit order, you're going to be buying it at a specific market cap. Now the default is the market cap. When you click on the drop down, you can see you can buy happy with the limit order at a specific price in Solana or at a specific price in USD. So under market, you're going to put in the amount you'd like to buy. And down here under advanced settings, it's a drop down. You can see the slippage. You can also enable smart MEV protection, priority fee, and the bribery amount. Now here it also gives you the warning that this pair has a very low liquidity, and this may have changed in a few moments because before we picked it, we had enabled the hide low liquidity tokens. However, these things change, and that's why it's great to use Autosnipe.ai to do these things. And whether you're going for the market order or the limit order when buying, or if you're selling, you want to go with the market order or the limit order, you just need to go down to the sell token. Or if you're buying it, you can go ahead with the buy token. Now, if you're selling, it means you have already some Solana right here. But if you'd like to have some Solana, all you need to do is to click on the Solana balance. And here you can go ahead and send your Solana to this address. And then you also have the option to deposit. So this is a Solana transfer. You put the amount you'd like to deposit and the priority fee. And then you can click on deposit. When you've made sure that you have enough Solana, you can go ahead and make your trades, whether you're buying or selling, after selecting the coin that you want. Remember to keep this toggled on and the instant buy. Now, one thing you can also do is to select the filters, and you can make your preference settings right here. For example, if you set high settings here, it will reduce the possibility of having a low liquidity token. For example, you can see current liquidity in dollars, and you can put it a high amount according to what you want. Basically, this filter is under the hide rogs option, and you can refine it to what you want. So this is how you can go about trading Pump.Fun Memecoins using AI Autosnipe.